this video, I would like to do a quick demo of a library, a React hook implemented by Next.js that is used for fetching our data from the backend database or whatever data you would like to it coming from. It's called a useSWR. What is the main feature of it has a lot. I'm not gonna cover it all in one video. Just one thing that I just noticed I found is pretty fascinating is that if you're using this way to fetch data instead of using your traditional way of fetching data in the use effect, when your browser got refocused and there's something changed in your database or data source, without user refreshing the browser, it is going to be fetch the user the latest data when they visit the website. So I'm gonna show you with a quick demo. On the front end, I'm using React with Next.js, but the focus is right here. I fetch data from a Firebase database, and then I fetch data and then convert it to JSON. Then after the JSON is fetched, I use a use effect to handle the data that I got from this URL, and then set my state and then output a state, stuff like that. So the focus is here. So I will go to I first build it. I'll build a project. So in the meanwhile, I'll show you what is there in the database. So we have two data at the moment, max and menu, and yeah, let's see how it works. Run start. Okay, so the data is started. I'm on 3000 port. So if I go to here, refresh it, we can see this is the data we got. And then if I separate a window right here, let's add a new data. Let's call it S3. Actually, I think I did a mistake. Let's start it again. Call it S3, and then adding property to it. Let's give it a username of let's say Bruce, and then I'll add a key to it. VOLUME volume. Let's give it 80. Add. So now we have a new data, Bruce, with a volume of 80. So when the user revisits this website, when they click on it, it fetches the new data without you have to refresh it, which I think is pretty interesting and it's pretty cool. I think that's one magic that the useSWR bring to us. There are a lot of other features that I haven't explored yet, but this is so cool. So after this, I will show you a quick demo of what if I fetch the data without using this SWR and then just use our regular fetch in the use effect. What's gonna happen? I will switch my branch to this branch. Okay, and in here I just fetch with the await and fetch. We get the data to the use effects when the page is first loaded, and I'll start my server, build it again. And then let's get started. Okay, so if I refresh the page, it's the data we have. And now if I do some modification on the database, say I don't want Bruce anymore, I remove it. I remove Bruce. Okay, so it's updated, and then now if I refocus on it on my browser, what's gonna happen? So now I click on it, nothing. This is the comparison we got. Only if we refresh the page, the useSWR gonna do its job, and then we have the new data. So yeah, this is my little short comparison, and one cool feature that useSWR bring to us. Hopefully this video helps you just a little bit, and yeah, I'll see you next time.